Look at mommy. Look at mom.
Is that good, Bill? Mmm.
Look at Andrew.
And then we have Andrew, very, very steadily working on his ice cream. Don't put your fingers in it, okay? Use your spoon.
Oh, look at Daddy.
He's really enjoying it.
It's good.
Here, look, you pick it up and you can take a bite.
Yes.
No, 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 no. Hold it down here. Right there. Perfect.
Bite it from the top, Andy.
It's gonna drip everywhere.
I got him covered.
Yeah, eat the top, Andy.
Wow.
There you go.
That's it? Very much. Peanut butter M&Ms. Wow, aren't you lucky?
Here's your spoon. Keep eating.